Hi everybody, my name's Danny and I'm here to bring you a library bite, quick and easy for resume refresh. Today we're going to be talking about building your best. So if you only do one thing to build your best resume today, do this. Quick fact, the average time spent by recruiters looking at your resume is 5 to 7 seconds. That's a real small window to make that first impression. And most likely before it even gets in front of their eyes, it's been filtered by an application tracking system. An ATS is used by companies of all sizes by their HR department who has to sort through hundreds of applications for just one job. They've got to organize, search, and sort. So they know what they're looking for and they also know what they don't want. So your strategy is crucial. One of the ways that you can improve and build your resume today is by visiting mld.org and checking out our Learning Express database where you can do the course of great resume writing. What I like about it is that it's quick, you can skip around, and it has in-depth answers. So try that today if you're ready to build your best resume. On to our next quick tips for today. The first one is to edit closely. Ask a trusted person to review it if you are looking for grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. It's really important to get all of those out of the way. Second, tailor it for every job. I know it's time consuming, and when you're applying to a lot of jobs, this can be a big hurdle, but whenever possible, submit a resume designed for the job and avoid generalizing. Third, pay close attention to the qualifications. Don't waste your time if you don't meet the minimum requirements. So that's it for today's Resume Refresh Library Bite. I hope it's been helpful. Stay tuned for other videos on templates, cover letters, and an email help service. Have a good one.